Hello everybody. Today we're not going to actually cook, we're just going to mix something up that turns out really good. This is a little pasta dish we put together at our wedding. Everybody liked it, so I'm going to show you how to make it today. We're going to start out, we've got a nice bowl full of pre-cooked pasta. I figure you know how to do it, I don't have to show you. We've got about 1.5 cups of chopped up cilantro, 1.5 cups of chopped up sweet onion. We have a can of drained pineapple tidbits. We've got about 2 cups of pre-cooked Costco shrimp. Just cut them in half. These are wonderful. Tails are off. Super simple. We have saved our juice from our pineapple because we're going to use it. And then we're going to go with some lime, the zest, the juice. And I've grated up about half of a large jalapeno. So I'm thinking I'm not going to use it all because I'm kind of a wuss when it comes to hot stuff. So we'll give it a shot. What we're going to do first is I'm going to dump all this into the bowl. Because this is really simple. It's quick. It's pretty light. One thing you need to know when you're making salads like this, do not salt them. The salt pulls all the moisture out of everything and your salad will get all watery. I don't salt potato salad, macaroni salad, anything. So then here's your shrimp. Got a bunch of those. Now we're going to get to our dressing. Oh, can't forget our can of pineapple. I'm glad we got a big bowl because as usual, I normally tend to fill it up. So we're gonna put in, it says it's 3/4 cup, so we're gonna probably put in 1/4 cup, maybe a little more of the pineapple. Then, I guess while we got it open, we can scrape in about half of this jalapeno, seeds and all. Then we're going to take my microplane. If you don't have one of these, you need one. I zest limes, I zest lemons. The flavor is so fresh and good. Oh, the oils are coming, you can smell them all over the house already. So, I'm gonna zest this up pretty quick. I use all the zest off of everything except the grapefruit. We have a grapefruit tree out in the yard. I might zest it when they're ripe and see how that turns out. And then, put that in there. I'm going to cut my little lime in half. And I picked up the coolest little, does lemons and limes. There's a yellow one for lemons, green one for limes. And it gets all of the juice out. We're gonna get all that squeezed out. I really like the citrus flavor, so I'm gonna use both halves of it. And we've got about 2 cups of mayonnaise in that bowl that we're gonna stir up to get our dressing out of it. We've got our lime juice, we're gonna put that in here. That was from one lime. And as you can see, it got all the juice out really good. So we're going to whisk this up, see what we got for. This isn't a real heavy dressing on your pasta salad like when you make normal macaroni salad or potato salad. You want everything to be a little light and fresh. That looks like, I'll put a tad bit more pineapple juice in it. The other thing we can do, which is really good with cilantro and lime, is a little chili powder. I'm choosing to not use that this time. So you can see it's kind of like really thin pancake batter. Now we're going to pour this, oops, lost my spatula, over the top, get it all out of the bowl, and I'm going to take a minute and get it all mixed up, and then we'll come back and show you what it all looks like, because we don't want to see me splashing it all over trying to stir it all up. Okay, we did forget one ingredient when we're making the sauce, is we put a couple tablespoons of honey in there. It really adds to the depth, and the sweet really goes through the whole thing, so make sure you add a couple tablespoons of honey when you make your dressing. All right, as you can see, we've got it all mixed up and on the plate. We've got our pineapple, shrimp, onions, cilantro, and we're gonna give it a taste to make sure everything blended up well. It might not be spring, but this really makes you think of summer and barbecues. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the little bell on the bottom to be notified when we put up another one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.